Hey guys, Tech Love here. I wanted to share with you guys something I got in the other day, and that is a Victorinox Cadet. This is the 5 colors edition. I believe it was a limited run from last year. I'm not sure though, correct me if I'm wrong. And in this model there's no keyring on it, but it comes with a sheet. I'm not sure if it's real leather. It doesn't really feel like real leather, but it still looks pretty nice. This is the box it came in. It is my first cadet, and it's a really nice little knife. If you guys don't know, the Cadet comes with a little file. And cannon opener and bottle opener. Fits in the sheath really nicely. And this is the Cadet compared to a classic Swiss Army knife. And these are all Victorinox. I don't have any Winger models. You can see that it's just as thin as this classic model, and this is the smallest model. The only thing is that the Alox version doesn't come with a toothpick or tweezers, but I usually don't end up using those anyways. And this is the Victorinox version with a money clip. The size difference there. And in case you guys were wondering, the money clip has a little knife, a file, And on the other side, it has some scissors. I really like this model too. And here is a officer. You can see that it's much thinner and lighter. Of course, this one does come with a corkscrew opener. See the blade on that. A little bit longer, but the same thickness, which is nice. Yeah, I'm really happy with this purchase. I'm glad I bought it. I really like the case, the way it looks. So, thank you guys for watching, and please rate, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.